Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add shipping protection to your Shopify store. Let's start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Apps. Now click on the Shopify App Store button. This will open a new tab where you can browse and search for apps. In the search bar at the top, type ShipGuard and press Enter. You'll see ShipGuard appear in the search results. Click on it to open the app's page. Now, click on the Install button. Shopify might ask you to approve the installation. Click Install App to confirm. After the installation is complete, the app will open inside your Shopify dashboard. You'll now see a button that says Enable Shipping Protection. Click on that button. A new tab will open. This tab confirms that shipping protection is now enabled for your store. That's it. You've successfully added shipping protection using ShipGuard. This app helps reduce the risk of shipping-related issues. It's a straightforward way to enhance your service and prevent potential problems. Thanks for watching.